cozy posy. Today is a great day because I'm going to make one of my all-time favorite things in the entire world. A Jurassic World Slime! I absolutely love everything that involves dinosaurs. They were fascinating creatures. They were really fascinating creatures. And I cannot get enough of the shows and movies. My favorite dinosaur is the velociraptor, the one named Blue from the movie. Today's slime is inspired by the natural crunchy suspense-filled excitement of, wait for it, Jurassic World! Today I will be making an olive green, clear bingsu slime with charms that remind me not only of dinosaurs, but the movie Jurassic World. Bingsu slime is fun to play with because it has the most amazing crunchy texture, which is similar to the crunch of a T-Rex jaws. Crunch. Are you ready to unleash your inner paleontologist as we create this amazing Jurassic World slime that's dynamite? Let's get started! To make this terrific and terrifying slime, you will need clear glue and water, baking soda, olive green or any green coloring. I am using lemongrass scent, contact lens solution and bingsu beads, and dino-inspired charms. To make this inspiring slime, you will need to add your clear glue and water into a bowl. Then add in your baking soda and give that a good stir. To make olive green, you can add some black in. To make olive green, you will mix green and brown till you get the right type of olive green. Now I'm going to add my lemongrass scent. Next, you're going to add in your activator, but a little bit at a time. Guys, this looks disgusting / gross, but it's still really cool. Slime friends, once you have this snotty, slimy consistency, we are going to do something really cool. Now it's time for the something cool bit. Guys, look at this cool color. Finally, add your bingsu beads. Once you are ready to store your slime, you can decorate it with these beautiful charms. This is one of my Lego pieces from one of my Jurassic World sets. This is the mosquito held in the ember on a cane by John Habits. Now let's decorate our Jurassic World slime. your very own Jurassic World Slime. It's stretchy, crunchy, squishy, and so much fun to play with. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative slime recipes. Until next time, keep exploring and happy slime!